Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So this tutorial is going to be about, as always, Wix. So I have uploaded or created many tutorials about the forms, Wix forms that we can add as a contact us form or any other form. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the submit option for the database. Like what I'm telling is, for example, some user adds or submits information or data in these fields and it gets submitted. So what happens is when you enable that option, then you can get the data which is uploaded or submitted by the users, website visitors. So we will get in a database in a list, so that we can enable. Sometimes it is not by default, we have to enable it, and sometimes what happens is the message only gets submitted, and the email which it is connected to gets the notification, like the admin of the site, some animal analysis. So to enable that option of getting submitted the entries, click on this form settings and you can see this is the submission table. So in this case, in this form, the submission table is enabled. So here you can see the submission table. Basically you can see forms and submissions. This is basically a dashboard of your site, the particular site which we access. So this is the submission table, as you can see. So now I'm going to show you how you can enable it. So I'm going to add a form again, contact and forms. Let's add this one. I've added it onto itself. So here we'll click on form settings and then this is what I wanted to show. This click on create, and now it will get created, the submission table which I showed you in that form. Yeah, it is created. Let's see. So now there are two forms in this site basically. You have to publish the site basically. So let's publish it once and then check again basically. So here it is. Here are the tables or the fields that are added. So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.